Okay, children, welcome back. We're ready to start on your activity book. You can get your book out that has the smiley face. And see if you can find this page here. Should have a 4 up at the top. We're ready for lesson 4. And your page should look like this. Look in the green box here. We have the 8 main colors listed, and you children ought to be able to recognize all those colors by now. If not, you need to practice them. Let's start with the first one. Shanika, tell me what that first color is. Black. Good job. The first one is black. The next color, oh, so all the ones get colored black. Sorry, all the ones get colored black. The next color, this one right here. April, what color is that? Brown. Good job. The next one is brown. So you color all the 2s down here. Find all the 2s and color them brown. The next one, what color, Jamin? What color are the 3s? Purple. Good job. 3s are purple. The next one, Karina. Orange. The next one, all the 4s are orange. Good job, Karina. The next one, Grant. What are the 5s? Green. The 5s are green. Good job. And the 6s, what color are the 6s, Jakira? Blue. And the 7s, Paige? Yellow. And the 8s, Ashton? Red. Okay, let's start back up at the top. We have black, brown, purple, orange, green, blue, yellow, and red. So follow that color code and color your picture here. And if you don't recognize some of those colors, practice them today. And also, I didn't mention, but anything in the workbook that you children want to color, it's always really good. If you want to go back and color those pictures from today, or if you want to color some of those, or you want to color your 20, or maybe your dot to dot on the back page, do some coloring every day. Remember to try to stay in the lines. Try to always color the same way. Try to make your page look really nice. Okay, you'll probably have to come back and do this coloring after the video. Let's go ahead to this page. Right here. Everybody with me? It says circle the little word in each box that is the same as the big word. So what we're doing is looking at these letters. G-O. Which one of these 2 smaller combinations of letters matches this one? We're going to do the first 2 together, and then I'll let you do the rest of them on your own. G-O. So go down here, find the G-O, and circle it. Did you circle the first one here? G-O. If you circled this one, you got it right. This one is the same letters, but they're in a different order. See, it's O-G. It's supposed to be G-O, not O-G. See the difference? So circle this one, because it matches this one. Let's go to the next one. S-I-T. S-I-T. Which one of these 2 would you circle? Whenever you got it figured out, go ahead and circle it. S-I-T. Did you circle this one? If you circled this one, you've got it right. S-I-T. This one is T-I-S. The T is first, so don't circle that one. It's S-I-T because it matches the big word. See how that works? Let's go down to the next one is J-A-M. J-A-M. Circle the one that you think. The next one is P-E-N. And then go ahead and do the last four all by yourself. Watch really close because they try to trick you. Make sure the letters are in the same order as this big one. You got that all done? On this page also, it says we're supposed to continue practicing our phone numbers. Remember, we're supposed to learn one of our parents' phone numbers, either your mom or your dad. Learn one phone number. You need to be able to say your address, your name and your address, and your birthday. Do all of you know when your birthday is? So keep practicing on that. And then we're going to talk about this page here. Are you ready for this page? The first picture here, up at the top, we have kind of like a pile of wood. And here comes a hand with a match in it. And what they're wanting to know, look at the picture and draw what you think will happen next. What do you think will happen next? We have a pile of wood and we have a match coming toward it. What will happen next? Draw what you think right here. You can do this after the video. We're going to talk about this picture. This picture, see these clouds? They look kind of heavy. They look kind of like storm clouds. Here we've got some bolts of lightning. What do you think will happen next? Looks like maybe it's thundering and lightning. What happens after thunder and lightning? And then the last picture is a mouse. It looks like he's coming out of his hole. And there's a block of cheese right here. Maybe he's smelling it. But he's sure looking at it. See him looking at that piece of cheese? What do you think will happen next? Draw it right here. And I love looking at your drawings, children. So if you can talk your mom into it, have her take a picture of this page and send it to me. So this is something you can work on after the video. Write what you think will happen, or draw what you think will happen next. And then that takes us to our art page. And once again, I only have that page in my book for some reason, in my teacher's book. But what you have here is like this letters at the bottom of the page. So they're wanting you to cut out those letters. You have a C, D, I, A, F, H, G, B, E, and J. So cut those letters out and glue them under the picture that starts with that letter. So let's talk about the pictures a little bit first. Put your finger on the first picture there. It's a picture of an ant. First picture is ant. The next picture, ball. Next picture, cat. Next, doll. Are you children following along with me? The last picture in the top row, envelope. Next line is a fire. Next picture, now that is a goose, not a duck. It's a goose in that picture. goose. Next one, hook. Next one, igloo. And the next one is jug. So cut all those letters out, and first just lay them under the picture that you think goes. And when you get them all figured out, then you can glue them down, okay? So like, let's just do a one together. Let's do the ball together. See the picture of the ball up there? Which one of these letters at the bottom is the beginning of ball? Which one of those letters make the b sound? It's the B. So you lay the B under the ball. Then you can go on to the next one is a cat. Which one of those letters makes the k sound? Whenever you figure it out, lay it under the cat. And then when you get them all laid out there and you think you have them all right, then you can glue them down. And that also, if you want to take a picture of that and send it to me, you can. And I think that we're going to do a little bit of review, and then I'll let you go back and do your pages. So we've already done our colors. Let's review really quick. Let's go over